Alternating current AC and direct current DC. So far, we have learnt about a non-oscillatory current flowing in one direction in a circuit from the cell to the cell. Such a current is called a direct current DC, as against a current changing in magnitude and direction after equal intervals of time, which is called alternating current AC. The direct current can increase, can be stable, or can reduce also, but it is not oscillatory. This is shown graphically in the figure. Alternating current is oscillatory. As shown in the graph, it increases to a maximum, then reduces to zero, and increases to maximum in the other direction and again reduces to zero. In the figure, magnitudes like -1, -2 have been used to show the reverse direction. The oscillation of the alternating current occurs in a sinusoidal manner with time and hence is shown by the symbol. Direct current flows in one direction, but the alternating current flows in periodic manner in one cycle in forward and reverse directions. In India, in the power stations generating electricity, one cycle changes in 1/50th second, that is, the frequency of AC is 50 Hz, that is 50 cycles per second. When the electric power is transmitted over a long distance, it is beneficial to have it in AC form as it results into minimum power loss during transmission. The home supply is of alternating current AC. We have learnt in the previous class about the precautions to be taken while using the electricity.